Imagine this in the time it takes to eat a meal. Elite content creators are churning out 1,000 YouTube shorts using AI tools like Canva and ChatGPT. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that they're using secret strategies and prompts to achieve this, and they're hiding these techniques from you? Today, I'm going to uncover the truth behind their success and show you how you can use the same methods to skyrocket your content journey. Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels manage to pump out an insane amount of high-quality content in such a short time? While you're struggling to create 1 or 2 shorts a day, these creators are generating thousands in minutes. How are they doing it? What are the specific strategies, prompts, and ideas they're using? And more importantly, why are so many people missing out and failing? Stick around, because in this video I'm going to reveal the secrets that elite content creators don't want you to know. You'll discover the exact steps they take, the tools they use, and how you can replicate their success to boost your own channel. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to creating 1,000 YouTube shorts in just 17 minutes using AI. So if you're ready to transform your content game, keep watching. In the next few minutes, we'll dive deep into the AI tools, how Canva and ChatGPT are revolutionizing content creation. Step-by-step process, the exact steps to create a massive amount of content quickly. Insider prompts and ideas, the secret prompts and ideas that elite creators are using to generate engaging content. Common pitfalls, why so many people fail and how you can avoid their mistakes. Maximizing success tips to ensure your content stands out and attracts viewers. Get ready, because what you're about to learn will change the way you approach YouTube Shorts forever. Let's get started. But before we start, make sure you've subscribed to our channel. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about the dynamic duo of content creation, Canva and ChatGPT. If you haven't heard of these tools, you're in for a treat. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design tool that makes creating stunning visuals a breeze. Whether you need thumbnails, intros, or entire video templates, Canva has got you covered. And then there's ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that can generate ideas, scripts, and even entire video outlines. It's like having a creative partner that never sleeps. Now, you might be wondering, why are these tools such a big deal? Well, imagine being able to brainstorm hundreds of ideas in minutes or create professional-looking graphics without spending hours in Photoshop. That's what Canva and ChatGPT bring to the table. They save you time and energy and let you focus on what really matters, creating engaging content. Did you know that over 30 million people use Canva every month? That's because it simplifies the design process and makes it accessible to everyone. And ChatGPT? It's part of a new wave of AI technology that's transforming industries across the board. According to a recent study, AI-generated content can increase productivity by up to 40%. That's like having an extra pair of hands working for you around the clock. First things first, you need to set up your accounts on Canva and ChatGPT. If you don't already have them, head over to their websites and sign up. Once you're in, spend a few minutes exploring the features. Trust me, this little tour will save you a ton of time later. Now comes the fun part, creating your content. Start with ChatGPT. Open it up and type in some prompts related to your niche. For example, if your channel is about cooking, you might type creative recipe ideas for busy weeknights. ChatGPT will spit out a list of ideas faster than you can say dinner time. Pick the ones that resonate with you, and don't be afraid to tweak them a bit. Next, hop over to Canva. Use the ideas generated by ChatGPT to create your YouTube shorts. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it super easy to design your visuals. Choose a template, customize it with your text and images, and voila. You've got a professional-looking short ready to go. Here's where things get really interesting. To save even more time, you can automate parts of the process. Tools like Zapier can integrate Canva and ChatGPT, allowing you to create workflows that automatically generate and post your content. For example, you can set up a Zap that takes your ChatGPT ideas and inputs them into Canva templates, then schedules the finished shorts to be uploaded to YouTube. It's like having your own personal assistant. Here is a step-by-step guide. Number 1, sign up, create accounts on Canva and ChatGPT. Number 2, explore, take a few minutes to explore the features of each tool. Number 3, generate ideas, use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas relevant to your niche. Number 4, design, create your YouTube shorts using Canva's templates. Number 5, automate, set up automated workflows with tools like Zapier. Did you know that automated content creation can reduce your workload by up to 60%? According to recent data, businesses that use AI and automation see a significant boost in efficiency and output. Imagine what you could do with all that extra time. Now, let's dive into some insider knowledge. One of the keys to success with ChatGPT is using effective prompts. Think of prompts as the fuel that powers the AI engine. The better your prompts, the better your results. Here are a few examples. Number 1, give me 10 video ideas for a tech review channel. Number 2, write a catchy intro for a fitness tutorial. Number 3, generate a list of engaging titles for travel vlogs. Notice how these prompts are specific. The more detailed your prompt, the more useful the output. Don't be afraid to experiment and refine your prompts until you get exactly what you need. Once you've got your content ideas, it's time to bring them to life with Canva. Here are some design ideas that work particularly well for YouTube Shorts. Number 1, use bold, eye-catching text to grab attention. Number 2, don't be shy with colors. Bright, contrasting hues make your short stand out. Number 3, animations. Canva offers a variety of animations that can add a dynamic element to your content. Number 4, keep your branding consistent across all your shorts. This helps build recognition and trust with your audience. Here are a few prompts that have worked wonders for other creators. First, create a storyboard for a 30-second motivational video. Second, outline the key points for a financial advice short. And third, generate 5 tips for increasing productivity, formatted for a YouTube short. By using these prompts, you can generate content that's not only engaging but also aligned with your channel's niche and audience. Let's talk numbers. According to YouTube, shorts that are visually appealing and well-structured see a 30% higher engagement rate, and creators who use AI-generated content report a 25% increase in productivity. These tools aren't just gimmicks, they're game changers. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Why do so many people fail when trying to use these tools? One of the biggest mistakes is relying too heavily on automation without adding a personal touch. Remember, AI can generate ideas and content, but it's your unique voice and perspective that will resonate with your audience. Another common pitfall is neglecting the quality of the content. Just because you can create 1,000 shorts in 17 minutes doesn't mean you should. Focus on quality over quantity. Make sure each short is valuable and engaging. To avoid these mistakes, follow these tips. First, personalize. Add your own touch to the AI-generated content. Make it yours. Second, review and edit. Always review and edit the content before posting. Ensure it meets your quality standards. And third, engage. Interact with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and make them feel valued. Here are some practical tips to ensure your success. Number 1, batch. Create. Dedicate specific times to create and schedule your content. Number 2, use analytics. Keep an eye on your analytics to see what's working and what's not. Number 3, stay consistent. Consistency is key. Stick to a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. According to a study by TubeBuddy, channels that engage with their audience and maintain high-quality content see a 50% higher growth rate than those that don't. It's clear engagement and quality are crucial to your success. In the crowded world of YouTube, standing out is essential. Here are some tips to make sure your content shines. Try to use any unique style. Develop a unique style that sets you apart from others. Leverage trending topics to attract more viewers. And invest time in creating compelling thumbnails. They're the first thing viewers see. Engagement is key to building a loyal audience. Here are some strategies. Always include a call to action in your shorts. Ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Foster a sense of community by interacting with your audience and creating content that resonates with them. Analytics are your best friend. Use them to see which shorts are performing well and why. We've covered everything from the tools you need to the step-by-step process, insider tips, common pitfalls, and how to maximize your success. Now, it's your turn to take these strategies and run with them. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and hit the subscribe button for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.